Hey y'all, it's Yvette, and I am sitting here in my hotel room, and I've already started the day. I went down for breakfast, which they lay out for you, not for just me. It's a buffet style. They did a pretty great job, actually. Definitely more than the bare minimum, so I was pleasantly surprised. And this hotel room is actually it's really nice. It's a new hotel, and they've done a really good job laying everything out in the room, so very happy with that. And I arrived last night, and then once I got here, I didn't feel like leaving to go get anything to eat. So they have like a little cantina type thing downstairs. So I went downstairs and I bought like a pepperoni pizza hot pocket and a soda, and came up, and that was my dinner. And as you guys all know, I have all sorts of like all of the projects were like all spread out all over my room, and so I just grabbed up everything and brought it. So last night I sat down, I took all the papers out, I reorganized them into their proper bags. I didn't want to show up looking like I didn't know what I was doing, because that's not true. I just tend to get a bit unorganized whenever I have lots and lots of projects going at the same time, which is something I need to attempt to change because it would be a whole lot easier for me if I did that. So that's something that I'm going to try to implement going forward. So I got everything all sorted out last night, and I've started writing in my gratitude journal in the morning and at night. I think, you know, like every single one of us is always going through something. There's always something. And right now I'm going through something, and I'm hoping that the gratitude journal is going to help me to kind of work everything out. And it's also helping me to realize that I have really good friends. Not that I needed that pointed out. I already knew that. But it's like when you sit down and you start actually thinking through things in your life and writing them down. Yeah. So at some point in time or other, we're all going through things, and right now is just my time. So today I am looking forward to arriving at the Judy Niemeyer Retreat Center. If I'm being honest, I'm a little freaked out about sharing a room with someone I don't know, but at least this other person is a quilter and, you know, probably just like me. So I'm a little nervous about that. I don't know what to expect at all. If there is anything to find online, I have not been able to find anything about it. So I have no idea what to expect whatsoever. And that's a little part of why I thought that I would try to share this week with you guys, because then there would be something out there that would show you what to expect if you decide that you would like to go to a Judy Niemeyer retreat in her retreat center. Because I know that she has, you know, all sorts of things, not only in Montana, but from what I understand, she has, you know, things that go on in Texas. And I mean, I'm sure there's plenty of other places. I don't know everything about Judy Niemeyer, I'll tell you. I'm sure there's tons that anyone could learn about her. And so I am looking forward to that. Until then, because I don't think we can check in until 4, and I need to check out of here by 11. So y'all all know I'm going to be going over to a Starbucks, and I'm going to bring my laptop and my planner, and I'm going to work until I can leave to drive over. And I feel like I am just sort of rambling right now. So I'm going to close and just let you know that it is the very start of my day. It's around 9 a.m. I don't know exactly what time it is, but it's around 9 a.m. And I may or may not say a few words while I'm at Starbucks. Probably not. It probably not loud. I mean, I don't know. I have no idea. First time in Montana. It's gorgeous here. Driving from Missoula, I hit a little bit of ice, a little bit of snow, but it wasn't bad at all. There was not a lot of traffic. So yesterday was pretty uneventful all the way around, and really happy about that. So I will close for now, and if nothing else, I will be back tonight to give a little update about arriving at the retreat center. So I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and keep watching for a little more. Okay, y'all, so I just got here. Like, I just pulled in the parking lot. I went inside just to make sure I was in the correct spot, and I am. This is the retreat center. It's not really what I expected it to be. I don't know that I really had any expectations, but and I'll like turn around. This is what's behind. So if you ever come, and sorry about the traffic, and you see this, you're in the right spot. So anyway, I am going to go inside and I'll record a little bit later. I'm not sure how they're going to take it, but we'll see. I met my roommate. Her name is Jenna. A couple of other people told me their names around me, and I've already forgotten, because y'all know me. I'm bad with names until I start using them a lot. So I intend to try to do that. I think there's 10 of us. So I'll be back. Okay, guys. So I have arrived, and this is my room. I am rooming with Jenna, and this is Jenna's bed, and that is my bed. And we are given these little desks, and you can hang your clothes. There's extra blankets. And the interesting thing is, well, unfortunately, I don't think we get to keep these quilts that they've put on our beds. But the funny thing is, Judy was saying that if this extra blanket isn't enough, we can go and pull one off the wall. This door is to the outside. At first I thought it was the bathroom, but it's not. It's to outside, like directly outside. So I'll show you our bathroom, and here's our bathroom. So 2 of us share a bathroom. Hi. It is like freezing outside right now. It is so cold. But anyways, there's the bathroom. Really, it's just the bathroom. And yeah, so here's our little space. Now, I am going to be recording, but I'm only going to be recording myself. So that's basically what you're going to see. So I'm going to go, and we just got back from dinner, so I'm going to go sew. Here I go.